everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is money. Confidence with money. Alright, so the reason why I wanted to come and talk to you today, because basically when I'm not working or studying or gardening, I'm helping young men and women, mostly men, who are high school or just got out of high school, learn how to manage their money, manage their time, manage their energy, manage their mind, and have discipline. And that's very important. And what I found in this whole entire situation is that it takes a village to raise a child. Most parents, you're not talking to your children, you're not guiding them, you're not making sure they're eating healthy, you're not making sure they learn how to manage credit once they get out of high school. One scenario I'm doing now is requiring them to save $2,000 so that they can purchase their first car. No, we're not giving you the money. No, entitlement is over. That doesn't help you. I was a person who was entitled, and I still feel like I'm entitled. And that won't change because I think I'm great, and that's cool too. And if you think you're great, then you probably are. But back to the subject, let's see. So I basically purchased a lawn care company for my stepson so that he wouldn't be a burden to himself and or his mother and myself. So that he can learn how to be an entrepreneur, save his own money, be a businessman, blah, blah, blah. Well, he works at McDonald's. That's fine. We allowed him to do that so that he can learn money and you know, how to interact with people. It's great. But, you know, hindsight, I've been teaching him and maybe two other gentlemen that work with us that in 2 days, you work 16 hours a day, you're making roughly $200 every 2 weeks. And with lawn care, you make $200 to $500 to $600 per day. Now, what's the difference? The difference is mindset. Go. Confidence and being guided in the right direction. That's why I go back to the parents, back to the community, back to those people. Because I've learned from these young men that no one's guiding them, no one's teaching them. All you're doing is talking at them. You're not asking them questions, you're not engaging them, you're not doing anything. All you're doing is yelling, pointing the finger, and telling them what they do wrong. Well, how about we change that? Let's just be different. Start looking at the people that's in your neighborhood, talking to the kids that's walking down the street, holding them accountable. It's okay, don't be afraid, because I don't live in fear, and I make sure that each and every kid that I see, I say something to, I acknowledge them and I talk to them. So, you know, again, do your part. I'm doing mine. Peace. So all you got to do is press that play button, because everybody who subscribes is a winner.